Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'd want to take you guys through how to convert from Delta to Star, because in the previous video we did from Star to Delta. So this question has a component of it where we can convert from Delta to Star. So let's begin. We are not going to really solve everything, but I want to solve to a point, the point where we can use the delta star transformation. Then I'll leave it up to you to complete it. However, the answer for this question is 1.33 ohm, the final answer. So we are going to solve to a point because I don't want to really go back to the total resistance thing. So the question asks us to find the total resistance, right? So first of all, I'm starting from this point. I'm starting from this point. So we can see that this resistor and this resistor are in series, and so we can get them together to make it one resistor. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 ohm. Now we've combined this resistor, so the resulting resistor from this component is going to be something like this. I've combined it. So for this component, we are going to get something like this. For with here one and here two, because I've now combined it. So with this, you are going to see that these two resistors are now in what? Parallel. So these two resistors are now in parallel. So you are going to get 2 times 1 over 2 plus 1, which is what? 2 over 3, right? So now I've found the summation of these three resistors, which is 2 over 3, right? That makes us move into this whole new resistor, this whole new network as well. So this whole new network, I'm going to redraw it. So I'm going to get something like this. Now, now I've combined all this three into two two over what 3 ohm. So I'm writing it here 2/3 ohm. This place will still be 1 ohm, right? Now what do we see here? So doing that, you can see that combining this, I'm going to get one. I'm just canceling this off. I'm going to get one whole resistor for this, which is 2/3 ohm, right? So we can see that this resistor are not in what? Series, neither are they in parallel. And this resistor are not in series, neither are they in parallel because of this node. And this resistor are not in series because of this node. So because of the nodes, they are not in series. So you see this thing extends. This one too, this one too, this node here too extends to, and this node here as well to extend. So this means that these three resistors are neither in series nor parallel. So we need to use delta star transformation to do what? To change them. So let me redraw it. Let me redraw it. So here is 2/3, right? Here is 1 ohm, 1 ohm. I'm changing the pen so that you can be able to distinguish. So now I need to use delta star transformation to do what? To change them. Okay. So now I'll convert this resistors 1, 2, 3 into a star transformation so that now we can get this resistor in series, this resistor in series, right? Then the summation of this, and this in series will be parallel with this one, right? Yes. So that's what we are basically going to do. So converting this one into delta star, we are going to use the formulas, right? We are going to use the formulas. I would want to draw it very large so that we can understand it from here. You can understand it from here. Let me draw it very large. I'm going to draw it really large. Oh, sorry. Okay. So then I'm changing my pen so that we can use that to do the star. Okay. So here is going to be R1, R2, R3. And this portion is going to be RE, RB, RC. Right. So now we are converting from delta to star. So delta to star. Right. So now for us to get the star, let's say we are doing R1 first. So R1, the resistance of more priority is RB and RC and RB, right? So R1 will be what? RC times RB, all divided by what? RA plus RB plus RC. Yes. So I hope you get how these formulas are written. Now you are going to use that same ideology for this portion, for this, right? So let's say we want to get this resistor. Let me name it R1, this resistor, this one. So 1 ohm and 1 ohm are the resistors of more priority. So it's going to be, so let's say R1 is going to be 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus 2 over 3, right? So you are going to get 2 over what? I'm punching it on a calculator so that I'll get, so you are going to get, you are going to get the final answer to be 3 over 4. So 3 over 4. 3 over 4 for this resistor. So put it in mind, R1 is 3 over 4. You do same for R2. Let's name this R2. So for R2, the resistance of more priority will be 2 over 3 and 1, right? So R2, I'm writing it here, R2, the resistance of more priority 2 and 1, so 1 plus 2 over 3, all divided by 1 plus 1 plus 2 over 3. So this one, choose final answer is going to be 2 over 3, so it's going to be 5 over 8. 5 over 8. I always advise that when you are doing applied electricity, solve your questions in fractions. Solve your questions in fractions because if you use decimals, you might miss some decimals and you get a whole different answer. So please solve your questions in fractions and leave your final answer in decimal. Yes. So use that same idea to find R3. This is R3. So the ones of more priority is 1 and 2 over 3. So you are still going to get the same answer as R2. So R1 is 3 over 4 ohms. R2 is 5 over 8 ohms. And R3 will also be 5 over 8 what? Ohms. Yes. So now when we put our answers here, so here is here is R1, R1 is here, R2, R3, right? So I'm redrawing everything here. So we are going to get something like this. But now we transform the delta into star. So we are going to get something like this. So here is going to be what? 3 over 4 ohm, and here is 5 over 8 ohm. Here too is 5 over 8 ohm. So now we can now see that this 5 over 8 ohm resistor is in series with this resistor, and this combination will also be in series with this resistor, right? We can get a whole new one resistor here. So, and also this resistor 3 over 4 resistor is in series with this 1 ohm resistor. So the combination of all this one and all this, so all these resistors that we found here and this combination will now be in parallel, right? Making our solution now easy. Do you get it? Yes. Then this 5 over 8 will now be in series with this, right? So after we are done, we are supposed to get our final answer to be 1.33. So you can try it out and check whether you will get your final answer to be 1.33. I didn't come to solve these questions with you guys. I wanted you to have a feel of how to do the delta to star as well. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe for us. Thank you.